So on this list, the first would be the Walabot. The Walabot device is wireless, connects to your phone and transmits an image of what's behind the wall. So it's like on the back side of your car. Not only actually locates regular wood stud, but it also detects metal studs, which is great for commercial buildings. The second one would be Hashmi, the world's first voice mask. Hashmi is with the Bluetooth headset and speaker that connects to your phone and offers you some privacy. The mask will be block outside noise and protect your private conversation in public. No need to freeze at the balcony. The third one would be the spy finder. So this is very exciting. Portable pocket-sized camera finder locates hidden camera in your house, office, Airbnb, hotels, dressing rooms, and bathroom. So it instantly finds all the cameras, both wired and wireless camera, and also finds working and non-working camera. This device is excellent in blocking us from being watched or recorded. Don't forget to buy this and keep it with yourself. The link is under this description. The fourth one would be the focal by Note. The smart glasses are designed to look like traditional eyeglasses but have a miniature display embedded in the right lens that can show messages and notifications and informations. This glass has a ring-like device called Loop to control the distract and interact using smartphones. The fifth one would be smartphone spy lenses. In what such accessory that mounts to any other mobile devices with a camera, you can snap pictures of people right next to you without even knowing them. It's a very good point. You can just get these spy lenses.